Hey guys, welcome to my first video. So yeah, we'll be playing MMT for the first video, but wait. So I'm gonna be speaking Tagalog for my first video. I just started a YouTube channel. So yeah. Okay, I finally joined the server. Come on, let me join the server. What's going on in the chat? Say, are you gay, please? What? I finally got in the server. Am I? Oh, no, please. Sorry about the background noise, guys. Wait. Sorry about the background noise, guys, because I'm literally here in my cousin's house. So yeah. So I will speak Tagalog now, but wait. Okay. Sino ang murderer? Say no. Teka. What? The lag? Bro, the lag. I'm lagging so much. What? We tied. Natatalo po ng murderer. Ano ba? Kasi, wala research facility. By house na lang. Ano ba? Ang lagi ba natin? Bakit lagi na ako? Bakit lagi ako? Kasi, siguro signal. Oo, lag. Oo. Ano tayo? Inosente, guys. Inosente. Go. Inosente. Hindi ko alam sino murderer. Kasi last round, lag pala. Pinapatay ko sa murderer. Bakit? Now, bakit ito na nakabutang 2 friends? Okay. So, sorry sa background noise, guys, kasi dito ako sa talaga sa ikagaw kong bahay at kasi ito ako sa first ating na video, guys, and nagtagalog ako. Yay! So, nagtalo ang murderer. Ano ba ito? Okay, hindi na ako lag na. Experience language. Guys, what do you think, guys? Should I do like if I die, I change language? Like other YouTubers do that now. Yeah. Ang lag ba? Bakit lag? Ang lagi pala. Bakit lag ako? Okay. Wala na ilagin. Sinte pa talaga, guys. Oh my god, ang lagi. Bakit lagi? Oh my god. Sino murderer? Sino mag-allow din voice chat ito sa mobile na, guys? Sorry about that background noise, guys. Pwede ka mag-camp dito. Hindi mo naman nagpinapatay na murderer. Camper ang murderer. Ba? No! Nakuha ko, pero wala na. Bakit? Kasi lag yun na murderer. Lag ako. Hindi ko alam sinong lag. Sinong lagi, guys? Ang murderer ako. I think ako ang murderer, guys. Oh my god. A secret. Hello, Nikilis. Nikilis, open up. Nikilis, hi. Oh my god. Ano ba ito? Ang weird. Nabibit siya. girl save the day. Ano ba? Oh my god, cute girl. This is my username before. I'm gonna dance. I just wanna dance. I wanna dance. Oh. Research facility. Research facility. Research facility. Research facility. Research facility. Research facility. Oh. Wow. Bagong beach to guys. Research facility, please. Please. Research facility, please. Research facility. Bakit lag? Bakit lag? Bakit? Ano ba? Ang lagi ba? Agad dong. Ayaw dong. Oh my god. Inocente. Oh my god. Agay. Sakit sa kukudong. Nakita naman kukudong. Oy. Scanning. I wanna go next. Error. Player left. Scanning. Scanning. Okay, what am I? Processing. Innocent. Okay, dong. Kita naman kukudong. Oh, sorry guys. Ano? Sandra. Whoa, victory! Yeah, guys. Survive. Agay! You killed the pootie! Sheriff saved the day. I guess he wasn't a murderer. He was chasing after me. Oh, I want to do research facility. Come on. Come on, please. Research facility. Like, I love this map. Please. I love this map. No.
Speaking of Indero.
Oh. No. Hindi pa ako ready. No. Oh my God. Bakit? Hindi ako gusto. Anyone here? No, wala tao dito. Okay. Oh my God. I can't throw. Hindi ako marunong mag-throw.
Siya, hoy! Tita.
I didn't even kill.
Hoy!
Like, who wants to be murdered in this map? Who? Please, I'm laggy. Ooh, yeah, I hit someone. I'm like a noob here, guys.
Ganyan pa sa mga kasukwa niya.
Did I kill her? I almost did. Okay, I killed her. Why can't I get out? Oh, I can't get out. There we go. I'm just laggy. No, I'm laggy. Oh, I'm so laggy. Come on. Oh, you're laggy. Dadang. No, bakit?
Si Joyo, si Ate Dong, no? No, si Ate Dong, sila si Ate.
Don't hide from me! Don't hide from me! Stop it. Bakit? Oh my God. Ooh. Almost hit that.
Ha?
Oh no! Bakit naka-ghost siya? Oh, hindi ghost. Ano ba? Well, hindi ako noob ako dito, guys. Hindi ako marunong dito, guys. I think laggy siya. Saan siya? Oh, I know the hiding spots here. I don't know what I say. No! Hindi ako gusto mag-murdered. sa map na ito. Sinong gusto mag-murder sa map na ito? Diyan siya! Diyan siya! Diyan siya! No! Bakit? No. No, I knew how to throw. No, I'm new how to throw. Yes, guys, I'm new in Roblox, especially MM2 because I don't know. I'm a noob. You know, I'm a YouTuber and I just started. But guys, hindi kayo ito Tagalog na video, but bye guys. Thanks. Salamat sa panonood dito na video and first video pa ako ito. So, bye-bye. Sorry sa background noise guys kasi meron akong mga ig-agaw guys. Bye-bye.